Solve using completing the square. X squared plus 3x minus 6 equals negative 2. So for completing the square, you want to look for two things. The first thing you want to look for is to make sure that the coefficient in front of the x squared is 1. So for this example, it's already 1, so we're good there. The next thing we want is we want the equation to be set equal to the constant. So since we have negative 6 on the left side of the equation, we're going to add 6 to each side so that the constant is isolated on one side. Negative 2 plus 6 is 4. The next step is going to be to take b, which is the coefficient in front of the x, and split it in half. So 3 divided by 2 is going to be 3 halves. You can leave it as 3 halves. Next, you're going to take the 3 halves and square it, which is 9 over 4. 9/4 is going to be added to each side of the equation. Four plus 9/4 is going to be equal to 4 plus 2 1/4, which is 6 1/4. Next, you're going to factor the quadratic side of the equation. I'm going to make 6 1/4 an improper fraction, so 25 over 4. Once you've factored the quadratic side, you'll notice that the two factors are the same, so I'll write it as a squared. We're going to take the square root of each side of the equation, and it gets set equal to the positive and negative square root of the constant. Split it into two equations. And solve. Subtract 3 halves from each side. X equals 2 over 2, which is equal to 1. On the other side, subtract 3 halves. X is equal to negative 8 over 2, which is equal to negative 4. So your answers here are negative 4 and positive 1.